Want to turn a single image into a professional-looking video using AI without editing skills? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to do it in minutes using Appy Pie Design. First, go to appypiedesign.ai. Hover over AI Playground. Then click on Image to Video Generator. This is where the magic begins. Click Upload Image and choose the photo you'd like to turn into a video. You can use anything: a product photo, landscape, or even a selfie. Now, enter your prompt. Tell the AI what kind of video you want, like cinematic style with calm transitions. The more specific your prompt, the better your result. Before you generate the video, sign up or log in to keep your creation safe for future use. Now, the AI gets to work. In just a few seconds, you'll see a stunning video preview built from your image and prompt. Love what you see? Just click Download and your video is ready to use. For YouTube, Instagram, or presentations, your video is fully yours. Upload it to YouTube, post it on socials, or embed it in your site. It's ready to go. Start creating AI-generated videos with zero editing skills on Appy Pie Design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try it today.